Dragon Queen here. I thought I'd give you an update on this project here. This is the windmill restoration. As you can see, I have windows going on. I literally just laid these windows. Took me a minute. I got a lot of projects going on. I know. So we will let this sit for a day. And I will have to turn this over, do this side, and there are like 5 sides in total. Rough estimate, not counting this side. Yeah, there are 5 sides total. Some of them have 2 windows because there are 3 of these. Only these 2 small ones. Medium-sized ones. Awful. Also need to go on this. So it's going to take around six days total for this all to dry before I can move on with this, because I want to make sure these are completely staying in place. And if I need to go back, I can do so. I have another option here where it's quite possible I might fill these cracks up with some caulk. This regular old window caulk, like you would use for a house. But we'll see how it looks once it's done. Right now it has to dry. So the step after this, though, in about 6 or 7 days, will be to clear coat everything. Why clear coat? Well, I want to be able to protect the paint more. I want to be able to protect the glue more. Or in this case, epoxy more. Which will take another day to dry. But in the meantime, after I get to a certain point, I will show you how to wire the new solar lights that will go into this. So that will be a video once I get to this close to being done and set. I will at least show you how to wire the solar panels, because I don't need this to wire the solar panels. I do need it for it to sit so it can collect sun outside and make sure that the solar panels work and the solar lights work once I get it rewired. But until then, hopefully I'll have another video coming out on some very similar wiring, but not quite the same. Till next time.